Hey there, thanks for watching my Omega review by Billy Darr, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy, and any problems that I see with it. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to see how we do it. While you're down there, please hit the like button, subscribe to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Now let's take a look at Omega's sales page. This is the world's first automated Telegram traffic app. One click sends up to 127 buyers every 10 seconds to any link, website, or funnel. This is all going to be done without tech skills, experience, or upfront costs. We're going to experience free traffic in seconds. This is going to be 100% automated and hands-free, and it is supposed to be created for beginners. So let's get started. Here we are in the Omega dashboard, and immediately when we came in, I realized that I had seen this before. If we take a look at his previous product put out in April, which is Alpha, it is exactly the same, except there is a number list here versus a Telegram automation. And actually Alpha was for WhatsApp. I also looked back at another product of his called Aura. And again, we are looking at the same functionalities, except this one actually was for Facebook. Viper was actually for TikTok. And then he lent his platform to somebody else to put out, and they put out a Vertex product. This one is actually more generic. You can use Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. You can use any of those with this one, but it is all the same product. So I'm not going to do an absolutely detailed demo on this product because if you guys would like to know how it works, feel free to check out any of the other 4 reviews I have done on this product just in different colors. So the differences of Omega is that when you come in immediately, you are dropped into a new reply for the Telegram automation. And as of right now, there is no training in this app. We're going to start at the top. So they do give you an option for Warrior Plus. From here, you would be able to go in and see which affiliate offer you would like to promote. They're giving you the option to do the research with the sales pages, and then you could go grab the deal. I don't particularly like this style. I feel like if you just go to Warrior Plus or JV Zoo, you can actually get more information from their pages as opposed to a sales page. I'm not a big fan of a sales page. I like to do a little bit more research, but they are giving you Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. Both of these platforms often require a wait for approval, and if you're a newbie affiliate marketer, it can be difficult to get approval. If you guys are interested in looking at some different products, you guys can check out Digistore 24. Kim has done a video for beginners linked above. So after you apply for this, wait for your approval time, get your affiliate link for whatever product you want to promote. They have a creator. This is just a very cheap version of a product that you can already get for free. So they're giving you the option to take any of these templates. You can change out the videos. You can change all of the stuff that's in here and edit it. But if I were to add a text box, I cannot make that an affiliate link. There is nowhere for me to make this an actual link. So your affiliate link cannot go in this creation that they're giving you the opportunity to create. If you guys need a template like this, go check out canva.com. It's free, and where it's not free, they tell you there's a charge. But if you need to do any kind of posts, they have all kinds of templates. They've got Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. And once you get in here and create a design, if you come to the right and tap the buttons, from here you can actually share them to any of the social media platforms you're interested in. They also give you all of the options to choose templates. You can put in elements, texts that you can turn into affiliate links to promote your product, and audio as well. If you're using this and you've got this set up the way you like it, you can click save, and then you also have the option to download. I have not been able to get one to download. It just keeps spinning. In the download section is where, so I guess they are saving, but because it just keeps spinning, and I'm not the only one, I did not do all of these. So they just keep spinning and nobody's sure if it's being saved or not, which is why there's so many in here. But this is where they live once you make. Next is where they assume your traffic is going to come from. This is what they tell you is your free buyers traffic. Here you would connect your Telegram URL, and then you would be able to send that to anybody that is already willing to buy from you on these social media platforms. So do you already have a following on Facebook that's ready to buy from you, or Twitter or LinkedIn? Because if you don't, you are not getting any extra traffic from this app. There is no free traffic coming your way. Also, if you guys have noticed, the Telegram icon that was over here is no longer here. To get that back, I actually have to go into the creator and back out, and then the Telegram automation icon shows up again. From here, this is where you would set up your replies. If we click new reply, it tells you to enter the keywords, which should be in a question without any special tags. I'm not sure if they need to be separated by a comma or if they need to be like just listed down the side. I don't know. There's absolutely no training in here. I don't doubt they will have the training in by the time they launch, but we're about 18 hours out from launch and it is not in there as of yet. Once you decide what keywords you want to reply to, your response will actually be this message that we write down here as a response for messages which meet the keywords above. Here, you would want to put in a response to any of the words you see above. So we could make our response something like, glad you want freedom and money, click the link to find out how, and you would put your link in here. Once you have your reply, you would save. On the left, they also give you the option to check out your channels and your groups, your subscribers, history, phone numbers and addresses can both be exported through CSV, and your audit logs. So what is the strategy that Omega is trying to get us to use? They're giving you the option to grab a deal, make an advertisement around it, and then send it out to your following on Telegram or any of your current existing following on social media. Coming into this review, I wasn't exactly sure what Telegram was, so let's start with a little bit of research on that. If we look at this article from Statista, these are the most popular mobile messaging apps in the United States as of September 2019 by monthly active users. Facebook Messenger has 106.4 million. WhatsApp is at 25.58. And further down, you can see that Telegram is at 3.47 million users and growing. Okay, so now we know that Telegram is a mobile messaging app. What else do we know about it? I found this article on Business of Apps, and Telegram is a cloud-based instant messaging service which offers multimedia messages, voice, and video calls similar to Facebook Messenger. It was created with a view to challenge the primacy of WhatsApp. It differs from WhatsApp in allowing users to access their accounts from multiple devices. And Telegram has focused on being the anti-Facebook in terms of encryption and regulations. Users are able to have secret chats, which see messages stored on devices as opposed to the cloud. And messages can also be set to self-destruct, kind of like Snapchat, where they disappear after you view them. So there is a little bit of debate or criticism whether this is actually a more secure network than WhatsApp or not. I'm not going to get into that argument. Again, I just found out about Telegram, so I have no opinion. Telegram does use an open API, and they do welcome developers create their own Telegram app. They're also invited to create bots, and users can create sticker sets. If we take a look back at the Omega dashboard, I'm going to move this down so you can actually see the web address. It is actually Omega T Chatbot. So that is exactly what Billy Darr has done with Omega. He has taken Telegram and made it a chatbot. As well as sending messages, users can subscribe to channels, which allow creators to send messages to the subscribers. I went straight to telegram.org's fact page so that we could take a look and get some more answers to the questions that I had. Because they told us you can use all different devices on Telegram, I looked up which devices can I use. This is different than WhatsApp in that you can log into Telegram from as many of your devices as you like, all at the same time. So you could log in on your mobile device and your desktop, and you cannot do that right now in WhatsApp. Also, as an affiliate marketer, I wanted to know how we would get more people to subscribe or to join our channel or to be a part of what I am offering as an affiliate marketer in the Telegram world. So one of the questions I was interested in is, who can I write to? You can write to people who are already currently in your phone contacts and have Telegram. Another way of contacting people is to type their Telegram username into the search field, and you could link up with them that way. You don't actually need to know their phone number to do this, but you would need to know their username. So if you don't already have contacts on Telegram or know people on Telegram, you will need to come in here and do research to learn how this platform works and the best way to market on it. You do have the option to invite your friends. You will send them a download link via another messaging service, such as email, Facebook, WhatsApp, or an actual Telegram, and then they would be able to join via that link. And lastly, I was able to find an article from Business Insider about what is Telegram. This actually had some pros and cons that I wanted to put out there for you guys. So some of the pros of using Telegram are end-to-end encryption when you're using the secret chat mode. If you are not using secret chat mode, it is not end-to-end. It's actually into server. They do have the self-destructing messages, so they can be configured to self-destruct after a set period of time. And you can use larger file sizes for your attachment. Some of the cons of Telegram is that it does still have a limited user base. It is still growing, but you will need to find the people that are already on it. New user announcements may violate privacy. So when you join Telegram, everybody that has it gets pinged that you just joined, so it's not very private. And it's also a gathering place for conspiracy theorists and hate groups. But it does look like Telegram has ramped up their efforts to disable content run by hate groups and extremists. So guys, there's absolutely nothing wrong with using Telegram in your affiliate marketing strategy, but you don't need this product to do it. You can make your own video ads with Canva, and it's free. Anytime you add a new strategy, you will need to go out and do some research on what it is and who the users are so you can learn how to market to them. But if we take a look at Billy Darr on Warrior Plus, where he sells all of his products, you can see Alpha didn't do so well. Aura was also not very well received. And Viper again was just kind of middle of the road. He's had over 136,000 sales. And he's only got a 2-star rating. It does seem like he just launches product after product after product over and over again. And he has more set up for the rest of the year. Let's take a look at the pricing and the OTOs for Omega. I found 2 different pricing structures. This visual I found in one place, and then I actually found pricing in another place. So on Omega, your front end is going to run you $17. OTO number 1 here is $29. But I've also found it for $39. OTO number 2 here is $39. I found it somewhere else for $297. OTO number 3 is $39 in both places. OTO number 4 here is $197. I have found it for $39. And OTO 5 is $147, but I also found it for $39. Your total pricing for Omega, it's only a few dollars difference, is going to run you anywhere from $468 to $470. Guys, Omega may be the first automated Telegram traffic app, but that's because Telegram is just so very new. You're going to need a very large following or community already on Telegram to get 127 buyers in a week, let alone every 10 seconds. There is no free traffic. It is again social sharing buttons. So if you don't have a social following ready to buy from you, there is no free traffic coming. And I'm not sure if it was created for beginners or not. I will just say, do your research before you purchase and promote any product. Guys, I personally don't think you should waste your time or your money on Omega. If you want to start using Telegram in your affiliate marketing strategy, do it yourself with the free tools that I was able to find for you guys. I hope this review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll answer you as soon as I can. Don't forget, if you're looking for honest and ethical ways to make real money online, be sure to check out our instant access link with step-by-step training to get you started. If this video helped you out, be sure to give me a like and subscribe to know when the next one comes out. Thanks for watching.